In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the graph for the Buggy Lab using Google Sheets. So I already have a blank spreadsheet open, and I'm in the first cell here. The first column is always the independent variable. In the Buggy Lab, our independent variable was time, and our units were seconds. And in the second column here is going to be our dependent variable. Now, when we did the Buggy Lab, we had 2 trials and then an average. You want to go ahead and enter the average distance. And my units are going to be centimeters. You may have used meters. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter my data. So let me just throw some numbers in here. Same thing with the distance. This is my average. So I'm just making these numbers up. You should use the numbers from your lab. Okay, I have all of the data entered. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight everything here. I'm going to go up to the Insert menu. I'm going to go to Chart. Okay, you should get a graph that looks like this. It should be a scatter chart. And we're going to go ahead and do a couple things to our graph to make it look nice. So by default, when you insert your graph, you'll have the titles here. So you want to make sure that distance is on the y-axis and time is on the x-axis. Your title should also be your y-axis versus your x-axis. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and center that. Now, the only thing missing from our graph here is a trend line. So to get our trend line, you want to make sure that you have the chart editor open. You can get that by double-clicking on your graph. We want to be in the Customize menu, and then I'm going to go down to Series. If you look towards the bottom here, you'll see an option for a trend line. I'm going to check that box. I'm going to scroll down, and the label here, we want to change that to Use Equation. Okay, so my equation will pop up here on the graph. I've got my trend line, everything's labeled. I am ready to go. Now, when you go to insert your graph into your lab document, you can just click on the graph. I'm going to go up to the Edit menu, Copy, and then when I paste this in, you want to paste this unlinked into your Google Doc. Again, you want to paste this unlinked into your Google Doc. You'll see that option pop up when you paste it in. And that's it.